Hey, let me start with something that might hit you right where you feel it most, that moment when you play a track, launch a movie, or sit down to relax and your sound just doesn't match what you're expecting. That gap between what's on your screen or in your headphones and what your room actually feels like disappears the first week you live with the RP-502S II. This rig of speakers is built for the kind of person who's tired of thin trebles, muddy bass, and sound that feels flat and lifeless. You know, the times you turned the volume up hoping it would feel fuller, only to realize the hardware was holding you back. If that resonates with you, take a second right now and check the current price and stock before availability shifts. There was a point where I was watching a movie on decent gear and couldn't shake that feeling of something's missing. Dialogue lacked punch, effects felt distant, music didn't grab me the way it deserved to. Then I switched to these reference premieres and the relief was immediate. Soundstage opened up, voices felt present, low end was tight instead of vague. That moment of realizing my old setup wasn't doing justice to what I was listening to is one I won't forget. Once you've felt full, rich sound that fills the room instead of just rattling it, everything weaker starts to feel flat and disappointing. You'll hear details you didn't know were there in your favorite tracks. Game soundscapes suddenly feel alive. Movies don't just play, they engage you. Pictures sitting down to an intense scene where footsteps, music, and dialogue all have space and clarity instead of blurring together. Imagine gaming where directional audio actually helps you react faster because you feel the environment instead of just hearing part of it. Even background music while working feels fuller, more engaging, more present in the room. This isn't just numbers on a spec sheet, it's how sound makes you feel. Deep, controlled lows that don't boom annoyingly. Mids that keep vocals and instrumentals distinct and natural. Highs that sparkle without fatigue. That's the emotional shift this setup delivers. And if you're hesitant thinking, do I really need this much? Here's the twist: once you hear what well-engineered speakers do, everything lesser feels like it's missing half the performance. That's the kind of loss aversion that shows you exactly what you weren't getting before. Owning a pair like this changes how you interact with every piece of media you enjoy. You don't just hear, you experience. Sound that feels alive and dimensional clarity that reveals hidden detail, bass that stays tight and controlled presence that makes every scene richer, room-filling audio that feels intentional. They're not tiny bookshelf speakers you can hide anywhere. High-fidelity setup asks for a bit of space. At a certain point you stop comparing budget alternatives and pick the sound system that keeps echoing in your mind, the one you actually want to live with. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and later wish you had grabbed when prices were right or stock was full. If you're ready for sound that finally matches the quality of your games, movies, and music, check the RP-502S II while it's still in stock. This is the kind of upgrade that makes every listen feel worth it.